Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal here with you on this Tuesday afternoon. You know, last night I was on a rant on Facebook that I thought we weren't going to have any storms for a long time. I wake up this morning, it's a totally different pattern. Yes, I understand there are some meteorologists out there that are a lot better than yours truly that do long-range forecasts that were probably laughing at me saying, come on, Rosenthal, what are you not seeing? I've been doing this 42 years. I just didn't see it. But I see it now. Ha ha! The pattern's starting to change, folks, and we have a couple of storm threats to talk about, all right? So, all right, a little egg on my face, but you know, it hasn't happened yet. Let's look at the weather headline here. How about that? So we say what a difference a day makes. We may actually see a little light snow late tomorrow night and early Thursday with a weak storm moving south of New England. Best shot for some accumulating snow is out over the Cape and the islands. And then we have a couple of storm threats here Saturday and then again on Monday. To me, it's just amazing, but just when you think you've seen it all before. All right, let's look at the latest radar loop here. Can I get my little magic wand to work again? We have one little area of precipitation moving off to our southeast from Pennsylvania. That's going underneath us. There's another batch of snow back in the northern plain states that'll hook up with a little moisture down here and head towards the east-northeast. We're going to be on the northern edge of a little light snow here by late tomorrow night. But here's the European model. Now, this is valid this is the first storm, for 4 o'clock Saturday morning. There's a pretty decent little low-pressure area right around Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. There's the storm there, and it's certainly cold enough for snow. And as we put on the upper level wind field, this is a 500 millibar flow at about 18,000 feet, the steering track. And you can see it's still not totally phased up. We have the northern branch in here like this and the southern branch, which is very strong. If these two phase, watch out. It's going to be a pretty intense coastal storm getting very close to Nantucket by Sunday morning. Again, the models are starting to come into line here and starting to see the change in the pattern. So we're going to be following this for you. Now, this is the GFS model at the same time period. 4 o'clock Saturday afternoon. This is the surface low, a pretty decent surface low, a little bit further along, just south of New England, moving quickly to the northeast. It would be snowing at that time if this is right. And as we, hello, back to me and back to the map. Sorry about that. No, Mark, why don't you take this off like that? There you go. Okay, so this is the GFS 500 millibar map, valid for 4 o'clock Saturday afternoon. You can see a pretty sharp trough of low pressure here in the east coast, this little bend here where the vorticity max is, a bit of atmospheric spin. But still notice that the northern branch is in this position and the southern branch is in this position. If they phase southeast of New England, it's going to be an impressive storm. We're just going to have to wait and see. And we did talk about another storm threat. I'll show you very quickly that the European model, this is valid. This is a surface map, valid 8 o'clock Monday morning. They have a pretty decent storm back in the Ohio Valley, and it looks to me like there's a secondary getting going around Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. They forecast this to bomb out, staying offshore just southeast of Cape Cod. Cold high pressure in eastern Canada. Could be very interesting if you like snow. All right, let's check out the forecast for the greater Boston area. For the balance of the afternoon, it's mainly clear, chilly. It'll be in the 30s, and tonight clear and cold, 15 in the suburbs to about 23 downtown. Now, I've changed the 5-day forecast. For tomorrow, sunny start, increasing clouds near freezing. Cloudy tomorrow night. There could be some very light snow or flurries late. Any light snow will end Thursday morning, and it's partly sunny and colder in the afternoon near 30. Friday, it's partly sunny near freezing. Cloudy, cold on Saturday. Chance of snow developing, 28. Then windy and bitter cold here. Sunday, only near 20. Going back down into the single numbers by Sunday night. So I'm trying to make the adjustment here, folks. It's been a really funky winter. We got really nothing all of December and most of January, and now there are some signs that the weather pattern might be changing. So hold on. Of course, we'll be here. We'll keep you posted. That's my latest forecast. I'm meteorologist Mark Rosenthal.